achievement àti achieve láàrin ọdún kan àti adúgbẹ́ ṣe kíni adúgbẹ́ ṣe fún ọ̀yá ìlú ìpàdé so gbogbo achievement àti ṣe kíni láti gbé láti fi foundation ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ lórí ilé-iṣẹ́ kò sẹ́kẹ́sì àbáwá kàásìta so ẹgbẹ́ ìdájọ́ mọ́ achievement àti ṣe láàrin ọdún kan àti káfẹ́ tí kò lè ní tó jẹ́ on the 14th November tó bọ́ sí ọdún kọ̀ọ̀kan tọkàn fáàmù wa as a state officer.
Of national progress, outstanding results and steady achievements of Alhaji Mustapha Adekunle Adio Sego, NURTW Lagos State Chairman, 1 year in office. Nigeria has a number of accomplished citizens who are endowed with natural ability, sound leadership qualities, and good managerial skills in different fields of the national economy. The individuals have harnessed their endowed aptitudes, extraordinary skills, ability, and professions to record excellent results in their various fields of specialization, trade, and business. One of these iconic individuals is Alhaji Mustapha Adekunle Adio Sego, the Lagos State Chairman of NURTW, a reputable figure, an advocate of peace and progress at all times. Of national progress. Over a short period of a year in office as the Lagos State Chairman, he recorded tremendous and laudable achievements and still counting in the proposed list of intending projects for the betterment of members and staff of the union here in Lagos. In his history as a pathetic, merciful and conventional person, he understands the pain and suffering and social dangers that people encounter and tries to assuage and alleviate the burden of hardship in whatever ramification. Within his short time in the office as the #1 driver in Lagos State, he has taken both strides and reforms aimed at reshaping the deficiency structures of the union, redeeming the lost glory of the union, and correcting the bad reputation the populace has about the commercial drivers to the union, particularly here in Lagos and the nation at large. He has fostered firm discipline, advocated equality and fairness in dispensing justice in the national legal system and NURTW regulatory process relating to the wrongdoing, social crimes, park violence, civil unrest, and incendiary issues. Before his inception in the office as the state chairman, he made it a tradition of making far and near associates, comrades, and other people mobile by distributing a number of cars free for each movement to their place of business, to work, and residence in Lagos Island and its environment. He ensures that equity is administered in the payment of dues by every branch to the state council according to the income generated at the mercy of all officers or members of the branch of the unit, coupled with the intent of improving welfare indices of members. To achieve relief, secure and conveniency, he abolished all unnecessary illegal levies and buying to selling of items in the state council that could bring burden and shortfall to the resources of members to officers with a view to assisting and promoting individual welfare and life sustenance. He introduced and implemented the payment of 1.5 million naira welfare to 27 surviving widows of NRTW fallen heroes and the target officer precisely October 2024, and we are witnessing another set of 28 widows will be going home with the sum of 1.5 million naira today with the genuine intention to caution and restore hope of life for their family.
The research of that and work of this. Our former state chairman is with us today. Ọ̀gbẹ́ Alhaji Tajudeen Bájì aka Àgbẹ̀dẹ aka Bakuba Ikuli the man over appreciate Wakayede and Efa Somasos. Láti máa celebrate 1 year. So ọ̀gá wa tó dání wọ́n lè gbé ìgbàgbé pé ẹgbẹ́ national union ó tẹ̀ wọ́n lógún. Kò sí gbogbo ibi tí wọ́n bá ń lọ wọ́n bá rí pé àgbẹ̀jọ ẹgbẹ́ national union ọba ń tó síbẹ̀ láti ṣe kéde. Àfi àsìkò yìí gba ọ̀wọ́ náà láyé láti ṣe kéde láti bá a sọ̀rọ̀ sí ti fún ọ̀hún mẹ́ta wa ọ̀hún national. Progress. Operational. Progress. The chairman and all members. This 1 year in office. I better salute Sego. And I want to say it as my brothers are saying. Alhaji is 1 year sick. This was born Sego Ajagungbade. Bàbá àti Kristo gbọ́ orí rẹ̀ láti. Wọ́n lọ lẹ́yìn bàbá náà kò fún un. Ayé Alhaji Tajudeen Bájì wà bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ̀sìn wọn pẹ̀lú agbésọ́dọ̀ Alhaji Mustapha Adékúnlé Sego. On his 1 year anniversary in office as the chairman of the Lagos Council of our great union NRTW. As a citizen, as well in the transport union, I commend Chairman Sego's leadership, argument and dedication to the growth and development of our great union. His vision and commitment to excellence have been evident in the progress achieved so far in the last 1 year. I can say categorically that supporting the office was a game changer. We came at a time when our people have started to use hope in the union. Under our leadership, the union has recorded remarkable achievements in the past 365 days. Some notable highlights include peace and unity, maintaining peace and stability between the union, fostering unity among members, and ensuring crisis-free environment. I am proud to say that your leadership has restored peace and unity in the last 1 year. I can say that we don't read any bad news about our union in the newspapers.
members' welfare, prioritizing the welfare of members. We have been using union fund to address the needs of members and demonstrating a commitment to their well-being under our leadership. There is no room for illegal fees or fines. Building and maintaining excellent relationship with the key stakeholders, including the state government, police, VIO, NASFA, and other security agencies. To promote conducive operating environment, this will help to reduce problems of drivers and members on the road. I wish to state my support for our administration and pledge my commitment to work together for the betterment of our union and the road transport sector. My chairman, as you mark your first year in office, I wish to offer this word of advice to guide you in the next year and beyond. Continue to prioritize peace and unity among members, recognizing that a united union is stronger and more resilient. Always see to the welfare of your executive and members. Don't give room for enemy or progress to get in between you and your ESCO members. Always remember that a house divided against itself cannot stand. Maintain your commitments to members' welfare, ensuring their needs are met and their voice are heard. Always be ready to attend to the needs of ordinary members. Nurture and strengthen relationship with stakeholders, including government agencies, security outfits, and other relevant bodies to foster a conducive environment for our members to cooperate. Stay focused on the union visions and mission, and lead with wisdom, integrity, and transparency. Be open feedback and criticism, using them as an opportunity to growth and improvement. I have no doubt that my mind that with these principles guide you, Mr. Chairman. We will continue to exert and lead the union to greater heights. I can say it with all sense of humility that your administration is like a common copy of my tenure as chairman of the Lagos State Council, even getting better than my administration. Once again, I congratulate my chairman, Alhaji Mustapha Adekule, on this milestone and pray for his continued success in office. All national, progress. So you need ẹni lè ṣe mí
gbogbo program ka ìdí níwájú orí pọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀rọ rẹ̀ la máa ṣe kí ni la máa ṣe 4 years ló ṣe gbé gbogbo complete. ṣẹ̀pọ̀ báwa la ka 1 year lẹ́nu fúnra wa tọ́sún àyè wa àti ọ́fíìsì àmọ́ ẹgbẹ́ ò bá wa ṣe kí ni ẹgbẹ́ ò bá wa kà bẹ́ẹ̀ constitution national union ó yàtọ̀ sí ti federation tó láyé bọ́jú mẹ́ta lẹ́fíńdà bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ìgbẹ́ tó máa ṣe kí ni tó máa jẹ ṣéṣẹ́ wa so nínú constitution wọ́n kàrí fún yín ni àbá àkọ́kọ́ pé wọ́n yẹ in office láti celebrate nínú torí láti ẹ̀ 2024 November 14 wọ́n ṣe kí ni lọ́sùn àyíwá ìdílé ló pọ̀ lọ́pọ̀ àwọn àtijọ́ka àwọn àṣìkò ìwà ìbọn 2027 àyẹ̀wò abílẹ̀ lèyí. I promise my member that like the grace of God.
Ajagunbade, àríwá àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yìí fẹ́, wà lóòrẹ́ yìí fẹ́ o, onífún o, bàbá ìlú náà yìí, àríwá ọ̀rẹ́ yìí fẹ́.
Èkó mú sí ni ẹ́ àti Saka sòrò ìgbà táwọn náà ti ṣe kíkì tó ti mọ ibi tí mọ́tò ń lọ wọ́n fi kọ́ wọ́n ṣe iṣẹ́ wò àmọ́ tó bá wọn dúpẹ́ wọ́n bọ́pọ̀ ọlọ́dẹ gbogbo wọn bọ́pọ̀ o kò ká lè sáàtì program tàbẹ́ ṣe láti lè dá gbogbo ọ̀yà ìgbà ìgbà ló wọ́n lè padà sí iṣẹ́ wọn. Wọ́n sì gbé national union kò sí pension ní àgbẹ̀ elected officer ní gbogbo wa kò sí pension ní àgbẹ̀ national union wọn ọ̀dẹ́ kó lé ẹ̀dọ̀ gbogbo iṣẹ́ union wọ́n kàyé ìlú wọn ìlú eat you need to work ayé before you eat iṣẹ́ union ẹ̀kẹ́rẹ́ work before pleasure ni. Ìjọ tí èèyàn kan bá ti jáde láyé báyìí láti máa rí ọ̀wọ́ mẹ́mbà wa tó ti máa ti gbé ni tó ti máa sáré fún pòsíṣọ̀ ẹ̀. Wọ́n ò jẹ́ ní sùúrù kó kù wọlé níbi kan fẹ́ ní sùúrù pé wọ́n ṣe gbé mẹ́jọ. Pòsíṣọ̀ ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ máa ta yìí. Iṣẹ́ nínú ẹ̀kẹ́ yìí wọ́n kó kú nílẹ̀ lọ gbogbo. Ìyíká àbẹ́ ṣe fún ilé kò sí nínú constitution wa. Ìwé tí ọkọ ẹ̀ bá kú àṣẹ ìpàdé àbí ká support kàrí àwọn àbọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí leadership tèmi jẹ́ àtẹ̀wọ́n expo mi láti jọ fi oríkọ rí láti wò pé kí abẹ́ mi celebrate 1 year wa a rò pé 1 year wa ẹ̀yin oko tẹ̀gbẹ́ windows láti fi make happy kí ọjọ́ yẹn lè ṣe nílò ó lè jẹ́ ọjọ́ tó máa ní àpẹẹrẹ láyé fún wa. This is second time tá a bá ṣe orúkọ báyìí àti ṣe ní last year náà ìrìnàjò ṣe náà ni they are more than 27 ẹ̀yìn tá a tẹ̀lé fẹ́ compensate lẹ́yìn náà they are more than 28 ọ̀wọ́n bí ìnáwó wà náà ṣe tí ó wọ̀ sí ayé àwọn bíkọ́ sọ pé eléyìí jẹ́ 1 year wa lóṣù lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kan ló lẹ́wọ̀ sí gbogbo ayé kò sí ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wa tó máa ní iṣu pọ̀ nídìí kan àbí ìgbèjì iléeṣẹ́ ìwà láti sọ̀pọ̀tì ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ nítorí lórí bá ti ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ iléeṣẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀dá ẹ̀mẹ́fà ṣéèkù fún gbogbo wa ṣùgbọ́n a ní láti ṣe kí ni a ní láti dúró síra wa owó ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ náà ló máa fi wọ́n dọ̀gbẹ́. So gbogbo tábẹ́ ṣe fún ilé is not my personal money. I don't have any personal money to spend for anybody. It's not my personal money. I don't have any personal money to spend for anybody. Owó ẹgbẹ́ wa náà la fi ṣe kíni la fi ràn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ẹgbẹ́ wa. Gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ tí ó bá ní ìsàfùà kò tí complete tó. So National Union Road Transport ló promise yín pé ìsàfùà ṣe kíni ó wà lẹ̀ fún yín. Nígbà pẹ̀lú ṣe kíni nígbà pẹ̀lú ìjọ nígbà pẹ̀lú omi. So lẹ́yìn ìyá lè mọ̀ pé ìkọ̀tà fẹ́ ṣe fún yìí àti support ní nọ́ọ̀tì kan tó wà nínú constitution wa sọ̀rọ̀ alálọ́lú ìpẹ́.
Ẹ̀yin sẹ́kẹ̀ ṣò any comment?
Okay, Mr. Secretary, business.
This video. For more entertaining video content such as behind the scenes of music videos and movies, music concerts, premieres, interviews, and exclusive gists, subscribe now to our YouTube channel Goldmine TV and be unleashed into a world of super excitement.